HeyMe Beauty, established 2012, is a professional supplier engaged in the research, development, sale, and service of mink eyelashes, magnetic eyelashes, faux mink eyelashes, silk eyelashes, eyelash extensions, eyelash packaging box, eyelash tweezers, eyelash glue, and adhesive eyeliner, etc. We are located in Qingdao with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, we have obtained CE certificates. Our products are selling well worldwide, especially in North America, Europe, and Australia. Our cooperation factory has 142 workers and can make more than 1 million pairs eyelashes per month. All the workers are in rich experience. We have professional design team for eyelash styles and packaging box. We can supply OEM and ODM service. All of these just for offering our customers one-stop purchasing service and the high-quality products.